In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change base currency in Xero. Before we begin, a quick note for clarity. In Xero, the organization's base currency is set at the org level and is generally not changed. What we're doing here is updating the currency used on a specific sales invoice, so the customer sees amounts in the currency you choose. This is often what people mean when they say they want to change the base currency for a transaction, and it's the practical way to bill in another currency. Start by opening your browser and going to Xero.com. Sign in if prompted and make sure you're in the correct organization. Once you're on the main dashboard, look to the top navigation and click Sales. This takes you to your sales workspace where you manage quotes, invoices, and related activity. Next, select Invoices. You'll see your list of invoices along with their statuses. From here, find the invoice you want to update and open it. If the list is long, use the filters or the search box to locate the exact invoice faster. With the invoice open in the editor, locate the currency control. It's typically near the top of the invoice alongside the contact, invoice date, and due date details. Click the currency field and choose the currency you want to use for this invoice. When you change the currency, Xero recalculates amounts using the relevant exchange rate for the invoice date. Depending on your organization's settings, rates may come from Xero's feed or be editable. Take a moment to review unit prices, tax treatment, and totals, because converting currencies can affect rounding and tax-inclusive or tax-exclusive amounts. If your prices were originally set for a different currency, you may want to align them to your agreed pricing for this customer. Once everything looks right, click Save and Close. Xero will save the invoice with the new currency and return you to the invoice list. You should now see that invoice showing the updated currency, and when you send it, your customer will receive it in that currency. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. If you don't see a currency field on the invoice, your organization might not have multi-currency available on your plan, or your user role may not have access to change it. Check with your organization's administrator or accounting advisor, and remember, this change affects only the selected invoice. It does not alter your organization's base reporting currency. Keeping invoice dates accurate helps ensure the correct exchange rate is applied for your records.